Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to combine Shopify's e-commerce power with Squarespace design? In this video, we will guide you throughout linking your Shopify store to a Squarespace website offering a seamless shopping experience. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first of all, head up to squarespace.com. By going there, you will be able to find this page. So go to your dashboard and you will find a list of websites that you own or acquired. So click on go to websites, and from here, you have to go to the settings. So click on settings right through here. Now, the Shopify is a third app, which is normally not something that is connected or a feature in Squarespace. So if you went to third-party tools right here and we went to extensions, if you tried to search for Shopify, you will not be able to actually find it. So what is the solution for it? Well, the same thing goes for Shopify. If you went and logged into your account, and basically let me just log into one of my websites. So if you went to your websites and you tried to search for basically Squarespace on your Shopify store, which I will show you right now after I create this store really quick. Let me just click next. So you will notice that it might give you the same thing. It might give you like the same output, which is there is no Shopify or Squarespace in the marketplace of Shopify. So you can click on here, online store, click on Shopify app store, and you might search for Squarespace. Well, normally after the newest update, if you search for Squarespace, yeah, there's nothing. There's no basically nothing that mentions Squarespace even in the app store. So what should we do in that case? Well, in that specific case, you have to search for Zapier. Zapier is basically an application that will help you a lot throughout your your daily using of two different applications. Whatever these applications are, as long as they are included in Zapier, you can integrate them together or connect them, or make basically an automation at least. So here we have Squarespace and here we have Shopify. First of all, go to Zapier and connect your account and go to apps. Right through here, you have to connect both your account that you have in Squarespace and Shopify with Zapier. So search for Squarespace and basically click on connect. So here it is. And here you have to give it basically the API key. How to get the API key? It's pretty simple. Go right here to the developer tools in the settings and choose developer API keys. From there, basically go ahead and click on generate key. So here I have one already. I'm gonna delete it. Let's generate it again. Generate key. Let's name it Shopify Zapier. I'm gonna give it all the permissions since I don't know exactly what I want, and make sure to change it from read only to read and write. So read and write, and click on generate key. Copy the key, go back to your page here, open, connect, and then paste the key right over here. And just like that, Squarespace is now connected to your Zapier account. Let's go back to your apps. And now let's do the same steps but with Shopify. The requirements of connection might basically depend on app and another. For example, now they are not going to ask us for the API key, rather they are going to ask us about this code right here. So let's copy it. Let's go right here, paste it, and continue. Once you have done these two steps, click on install, and now you are set and up to start working. Let's just check one thing more. Click on this connection and see if it's gonna give you this message. If not, make sure that your connection has been made successfully by simply deleting it and redoing it from scratch. After you did that, basically connecting Shopify and Squarespace to Zapier, then now the work will start. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead to the main page or the home page and click on Create. Choose Zaps, and here you will be able to create automations. For example, now every integration has a reason. For example, you want to integrate Shopify with Squarespace so you can share the orders together or share the products. So in that case, I'm gonna simply go right here and type whenever there is a new product created in Shopify or Squarespace, create the same product in the other website or platform. Just like that, I have given a very detailed instruction about what I want. Now, what is the false thing that people do? Basically, when they write integrate or link Shopify with basically with Squarespace. So this is something that you do not want to do, because this is so open, like it has a lot of variations, which here we only have one or two. Like they can be multiplied, but still the bot will not give you like hundreds of possibilities. It will give you only one possibility. In case you want more, then you have to write it in detail. So make sure to give everything that you want to happen in detail like that, and then click on send. Once you click on send, the bot will try to understand the prompt that you have written and will give you the best trigger and action. So as you can see here, you can automate synchronizing new products between Shopify and Squarespace. Here's how you can build your Zap. First of all, a new product is created on Shopify. Second of all, there will be an API request, so there will be like an API to be created in Squarespace, and then once the same thing happens in Squarespace, a new product will be created in Shopify. And now, all we need to do next is to connect each account to its specified thing. Here, I'm gonna click on test trigger, skip tests. Here the same thing. So everything from this application have to have this green mark, as you can see right here. So make sure that you go and log into each specific account. Once you have done that, all you need to do left is basically click on publish right through here, and there you go. You have linked your Shopify with Squarespace all the way around. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.